Welcome to IoTMATE. In this video, we're going to show you how to use your IoTMATE v2b-CL device once you receive it. We nowadays ship v2b-CL device with an installation image, and you no longer need to use WPS to be able to connect to your home Wi-Fi. The installation image provides you with a web page where you can configure your Wi-Fi and then save that and install the actual image. We would describe that process in this video so that you know what to do once you receive your new v2b-CL device. First of all, once you receive your v2b-CL device, you will find there are four cables. So two cables will be uh, labeled as L and N. So L means the live terminal and N means the neutral. So just connect the live and neutral to your home wiring system to the live and neutral lines respectively. And after that, once you do that, your device will get powered on and the installation image in the device will start running. Once the installation image starts running, you will see that a new Wi-Fi SSID will become available in your laptop or mobile, whatever you are using. So you will find that the SSID will be named as generic underscore IoTMate. Just connect to that with a password that you will be receiving over email after your purchase. So once you have connected to that Wi-Fi network, you can just go to the following URL 192.168.4.1 and you can see that you will receive this installation page over there so that you can connect to your home Wi-Fi and download the actual image and install that in the device so that it can come up with the new image. So as you can see, this page will show you all the Wi-Fi SSIDs that are available in your environment. So you can either click it to select that particular SSID, or you can just come here and type it as well. But you know, uh, just clicking will do the same thing. So now supply the password for that and select DHCP, as the uh, instead of giving static IP addresses, and click save. And that's it. Now you'll see that it will try to connect to your network with the password that you have supplied, and it will once it is able to connect, then it will contact our server to download the actual image that has already been associated with your Alexa account. So it will download the image, and after it has downloaded the image, it will reboot. Once it reboots with a new image, it will no longer be acting in the AP mode, and you would be able to see that the SSID has disappeared. So once the SSID disappears, you know that your device has rebooted with the correct image, and then you can go to your Alexa app and you should be able to see that the two switches that appeared when you did a discovery after purchasing your v2b-CL devices are now no longer offline, they are now online and ready to be used. So this is the procedure for installing the actual image after configuring your Wi-Fi networks for this device. Thank you for watching.